Electricity has been restored to Mount Diablo in St. Catherine after electricity theft led to residents being off the grid for 3 days. The Jamaica Public Service says there are over 400 households in the community, but fewer than 40 have legal connections. Romarda Lyons reports.
Saturday afternoon, business operators pointed to meat kind in refrigerators on the verge of waste. Residents, battery life shrinking minute by minute. And for churchgoers, Holy Ghost fire took on a new meaning.
The heat is on. It is on. We're uncomfortable. From morning we are finding it is really hard.
Others questioned the fairness behind JPS customers paying the price for rogue residents who steal electricity.
I don't believe that is fair. They're supposed to find a way to make sure that everything works as the way it's supposed to work without having to put the bills and the pressure on the persons who have meters. They should find a way to deal with it better than that. I don't believe that's a good way to go about it.
Another paying customer, Florence Mighty, echoed his sentiments.
I am not responsible for anybody who is extracting light. My thing is that they have a guaranteed standard. So therefore, because they have a guaranteed standard, the standard must be kept. There's no way we can lose light from Thursday, and until now, the light has not returned. My brother has died. He's supposed to be buried next week. Everything in the fridge is spoiling right now. So what are we going to do? Because of the guaranteed standards, what are they going to do? And this is foolishness.
We contacted JPS on Saturday. The company responded Sunday morning, explaining that electricity was not disconnected. It said, quote, residents lost electricity due to their own illegal actions, as overloading from illegal connections resulted in 4 transformers being burnt beyond repair in just 5 days. JPS said sometime after 8 p.m. on Saturday, the latest burnt transformer was replaced and electricity restored to the community. Residents are being urged to stop throwing up illegal wires on the electricity network. The company said the electricity theft rate is 91%, with only 39 legal customers among the roughly 420 households in the area. Councillor Sidney Rose made this plea.
Stop stealing electricity. Let us sit at the table with JPS personnel and work something out where persons can be legally attached to the JPS grid. Please, I'm asking you, because what JPS is essentially saying is that the good has to suffer for the bad.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.
The National Water